In this tutorial I will show you how to create these creative sneakers infographics poster design step by step in Adobe Photoshop. Copy these overall settings and create new document of 2000 by 2500 pixels. Then from Fill or Adjustments select Solid Color. Copy this hex code for background color. Then from View select Guides, then New Guide Layout. Copy these guide settings. Select Type tool. Left click to insert text. From Properties copy font style. Copy these text settings as well. Type ASICS text here. Place the text accordingly in center. From Blend mode select Soft Light. Then from File place the side view sneaker image. To download these images, link is provided in description. Resize and place it accordingly as shown. Then from Layer panel select Solid Color Layer. Add new layer. Name it as Glow. Then select Brush tool. Copy these brush setup. Off the caps lock key to enable this brush indication. Follow the process as shown. Hold Alt key and left click to select color using eyedropper tool. Left click to add brush fill. Follow the same process to create such glow effect. Set the glow opacity around 95%. Select top layer. Then select rectangle tool. Left click to insert its width and height. Copy these rectangle size. Copy radius as well. From Properties set the shape fill as per the hex code. Copy this hex code. And keep stroke to none. Right-click on Rectangle 1 layer and select Rasterize layer. Place the shape accordingly in right bottom corner. Then select Type tool. Left-click to insert text. From Properties copy font style. Copy these text settings as well. Copy hex code for text color. Now type text. Place it accordingly. Hold Alt key, left click and drag to make a copy of text. From Properties change font from bold to regular. Change these text settings as shown. Leftover setup will remain same. Type text here. Place it accordingly. Then from File place Sneaker ISO View image. Resize it accordingly. Right-click and select Flip Horizontal. Position it accordingly as shown. Align the text as well. Then select all related layers using Shift key and group them. Name it as Card. Select Rectangle tool. Left-click to insert its width and height. Copy these sizes. Copy radius as well. From properties, fill and stroke will remain same. Right-click on Rectangle 2 layer and rasterize layer. Place it accordingly in left bottom corner. Follow the same earlier steps to add remaining text and place images accordingly as shown. Make sure to group the layers accordingly. Again, select Rectangle tool. Left-click to insert its width and height. Copy these sizes and radius as well. Double-click on Rectangle 3 layer to enable Layer Style. From Layer Style, enable Gradient Overlay. Copy these hex codes for gradient color. Copy leftover setup as well. Then enable stroke. Keep size around 6 pixels. And color to white. Position it accordingly. Then select Type tool. Left-click to insert text. From Properties, copy font style. Copy these text settings as well. Enter size range text here. Place it accordingly inside the shape. Hold Alt key, left-click and drag to make a copy of text. From Properties, font style will remain same. Change text height to 45 points. Leftover setup will remain same. Enter size text here. Align and place both the text accordingly as shown. Then select all related layers and group them. Name it as Size Range. Again, select Type tool. Left-click to insert text. From Properties, copy font style. Copy text settings as well. Enter sneaker name text here. Align and place it accordingly. Make sure to select top layer and press Ctrl plus Alt plus Shift plus E key to create merged layer. Name it as Final. Lastly, from View, select Guides, then Clear Guides. Press Ctrl plus 0 to fit to canvas. This is the final result. That's it for today. If you like my content, subscribe to my channel for more related stuff like these. Don't forget to enable bell icon to get notified when I upload new tutorials. Also follow me on my social media handles to stay connected. Thank you.